I remember I was a young man growing up in Ohio, and I was following closely to see where Mercedes was going to build their very first plant outside of Germany. And at that time, nobody thought Alabama was in the picture. What we saw was a really strong business community come together and put together an incredible plan and help Mercedes locate its first ever production plant outside of Germany. We are building one of the most technologically advanced vehicles right now that's being built anywhere in the world. We're preparing to build the brand new EQS SUV, a fully electric SUV. When we have key suppliers that we know we need to have near us, I know that I can call the EDA, they're going to reach out and they're going to put their best foot forward and really the suppliers. We have a very special partnership with the University of Alabama where we're working on developing our battery technology and future electric vehicle processing technologies. I'm involved with other locations that Mercedes has around the world and in the US, and there's something special here. And it's really this community. The business pulls together. Every time we have any problems or any discussions, we can count on the state, we can count on the county, and we can count on the city and municipalities around us getting together. We are accelerating opportunity in Tuscaloosa County.